Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Chuck. What I'm working on today is this Elzett. It is, I believe, the X11 dimple lock, 6 pin main pins, and then 5 active key controls. So go in, and first thing I'm going to try to do is try to set some of the side pin or the key control pins first. I click out of one of them on the right side. Now I'm going to see if I can get some of the top ones. Check this side one again. Alright, now let's see if the main pins want to bind. Number 2 is binding. I didn't really get a click, but let's see, 3, 4. Oops, I pushed out to the back. Coming back in. 6 is springy. 5 is binding hard. 4. 3 is kind of binding hard. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Oop, I just dropped a few. I heard them click. If I can check 1. Possible click on 2. My pick is getting stuck. Alright, went out the back, so I'm gonna come back in. 6 just gave a click. 5 feels set. 4's hard. 3. Okay, 1 just went down, stayed down. 2 is down, I believe, and 3. Something came up. So just set 6. 5 feels solid. 4. 3. And let's see, I just saw 2 shoot up. So we can get on 2. 2. I'll check 1, see if it's down. 4 just got to click out of. Maybe that was 3. Go back and check. 6. Can't feel. He tells switch picks. Let's see. See if I can feel 6. Oh, 6 may not be set. Yep, there it went. 6 just set, and I got a little bit of a false set. Trying to get under. Oops. 4. Let's see. Did I overset somebody? Yeah. No. Alright. So it's picked. Alright. Well, I went 90 degrees and it. Oh, those pins are stopping me, I think. See if I can push past those without breaking this lock. Let's see. Put this up there and see if it'll go past. There we go. Alright. So I'm gonna, alright, because of those side pins, I'm gonna get this using a pin and shoe just to see if I can. I had trouble with those side pins, so this may be a little bit of a mistake, but yeah, you want to watch with me if it is a mistake. Make sure I'm still in the frame. Nope. Alright, so let me get down here and focus on this. Alright, so take this off. Alright, so that came off. I want a couple shims. A little shim right here. Oh no, do not push the core out. These are those security tag shims. They don't like to go in very easy. I'm not too crazy about these, but alright. So that's going in. Should have, see if this one will go in. Nope, that didn't go all the way in. I'm trouble getting. There we go. Well, I think I'm in there. All right. Okay. Wait a minute. Hope that did not. I see a pin sticking way out. Make sure that. Hope I didn't catch that side pin in there, in that pin chamber. Okay. So let's find out. No, do not push that out. Yep. Oh shoot, that pin just went flying. That's what I was afraid of. Yep, I knew that was going to happen. Alrighty, so you can see right there that's, well, if this whole thing will focus, spring right there has got caught. Knew something didn't feel right. Alright, so these are the 3 key control pins. This lock is not friendly to get. Alright. So that's the 3 there. There's the 2. Where's my plug holder? So I can knock these 2 out. Alright, there's the 2 there. So that should be all of those. There's 1. 2, 3. One wants to come out. There's 6, 4, and 5. All right. So pull these shims out. I'm gonna leave the shoe in for a second. It's frustrating. I got that spring all mangled, and now I gotta find the driver pin, but I knew something didn't quite feel right. Alright, so there, I just dropped the top one out. There's it. It's one from the top. And there's the spring that I mangled for the side. Man. Alright, this one should be a top one. There it is. Hopefully I didn't mess up the next one. Nope, there it is for that one. And then for the last one, there's that one. So I gotta find the driver there. So we'll push this back in, pull that out now, and now pull the main pins out. Standard in 1, standard in 2, spool in 3, spool in 4, spool in 5, and 6 is a standard. Don't drop you out. And then of course all the springs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So, question is, can I find that little driver? That's gonna be a needle in a haystack. Anyway, that's that. Well, I picked. I'll find that driver and see about finding a new spring for it and putting it back together. Alright, anyway, that was the Elzett X11. Thanks for watching.